I just found out that garbage men don't get any training at all. They just pick it up as they go. And that really pisses me off. I just found out how you punish a blind person. You rearrange the furniture. That really pisses me off. I can't believe most of women's problems begin with men. Mental illness, menopause, even menstrual cramps. And that really pisses me off. I just found out what's the most reliable part on the body. It's your fingers. Because you can always count on them. And that really pisses me off.